What's up, you guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are finally going to Willow Springs. I'm super pumped. We got the Z loaded up on the trailer already, and we're actually on our way. Our buddy Evanor just stopped to get some gas in his car, so we are pulled over waiting for him. But I'm super excited because it's going to kind of be a big test day all around. Danny and Evanor might be helping me when it comes to competition season, so they're going to help me out and test the waters today, see if they like me when I'm on the track or not. And I'm finally going to get to test my cars, so I'm really excited. Going to be a big test day. I don't have a whole lot of tires, but honestly I couldn't wait to get seat time, so I was just like, let's just go. I can't wait until Monday to get tires mounted. So it should be an exciting day. I'm really excited, and we're on our way to Willow Springs. Danny's leaving. He doesn't want to do this anymore. See you later.
I quit.
I'll see you guys at Willow Springs. Track to ourselves? What? We made it to Willow Springs. It looks like there's nobody else at balcony today, which is insane because it's literally a weekend. It's gonna be the first time that I'm testing my car in months. I'm super excited. I'm ready to get some seat time, so I need to unload this car off the trailer really quick. Dude, get to the pocket. What are you doing? You're such a good boy. boost gauge when I was coming around the wall, and I noticed it was at 0, so I think that one of my vacuum lines must have popped off, and the car felt a little bit slower. I was having trouble going into the second corner. I had a clutch kick to try to get through the second corner, so I think that a vacuum line popped off. Evanor and Danny are working on that right now. They have my hood popped. They're trying to figure out what's going on. Alright, so I was right. This vacuum line popped off of the intake manifold, so that's why we had barely any boost pressure. That's why it was really hard for me to get around the second corner, so we zip tied that super tight. Everything should be good now. I think I'm actually going to leave the car with the amount of boost that it has, just because I still have stock injector, stock fuel rail, everything like that, and I'm not trying to blow this thing up today, so I think I'm just going to struggle getting around the box for the day, just be a little bit more aggressive, and I think we should be good to go with that, so. Pretty hot that last lap. I'm not sure exactly why, but my car actually did start to cut out on me. It kind of acted like it was hitting fuel cut, but that's something that my stock ECU does when the car is overheating. It cuts out so that you can save your engine. So I'm gonna try to figure out why my car was running so hot, because it's not getting any hotter. We've already hit the hottest peak time of the day. There is some residue on the radiator, but I don't know if that's when that's from. I am noticing some water splashes right here around these hoses and on the water pump. I'm not super concerned about it because I don't know how clean the engine was before we came today, but just being observant.
screaming.
I was screaming.
You have to send me that one. That one, it was just like, oh my god, like it was
butter. So butter. Oh my god. It's gonna be the last run that I do of the day, and then I'm packing up and I'm going home, and it's always my best run. Those last 2 or 3 runs that I did were so good. Oh my god, I've been waiting for that all day. I was just kind of waiting for it to kick in. I always know that my first driving day back is always a little rough, and I don't like stress myself on my line too much or angle or anything like that. I just like to get back in the seat and get comfortable again. Oh my god, but that felt like I've been driving this entire time. Wow. Oh man, that felt fantastic. But I think I broke my temp gauge because my temp gauge isn't working anymore and won't even read. But the car, it's probably fine because it's not smoking. There's no fluids leaking or anything, so.
Did anybody get that?
Well, these are just about done. Drift car alignments matter. Look at how even this tread wear is. And these tires are super duper old too. Like I've driven on these several times already. If you've made it this far, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because this is what my channel is all about, and you guys are going to see a whole lot more driving from here on out because finally my car is solid. Thanks to my buddies Evanor, Steven, and Danny. Danny and Evanor were actually out here helping me at the track today. They recorded a bunch of data for me, and I have never ever recorded data while I was at the track at all. Never even paid attention to like how hot my car got at this hottest point in the day. And also never paid attention to my tire pressure when I got on the track versus when I got off of the track. So they were a huge help for me today. So if you guys want to follow them on Instagram, I will leave their links down below. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video where hopefully we will be driving again. Catch you in the next one. Bye.